Cryptsec lets you plug in AI directly into the CTF Arena so your AI sidekick can browse challenges, spin up labs, submit flags, and guide you through the methodology, all from your terminal. So let's see how we can set it up. So let's first go to the CTF Arena. Over here, you can directly do your own labs or you can connect your AI sidekick. So I'm going to click on AI sidekick. As you can see in my case, it says connected, but I'll still show you how you can do it from the scratch. So there are only 3 commands that you need to run, but before we move into that, you need Claude code installed or any other AI that you're using, for example, Cursor, Windsurf, or VS Code. In my case, I have Claude code. Also, check if you have Node 18 installed or higher. So I'm gonna type node-v and it shows that, okay, Node is installed, good to go. Let's first use this command to install the npm package for Kryptsec MCP server, and this will install it globally. I'm gonna give it sudo permissions. This puts Kryptsec MCP binary on your path, and one install works across all your AI clients. Okay, it's done. Second step is authenticate. As you can see, we have the command for authentication, Kryptsec MCP auth. We're going to copy it and we're going to open terminal and paste the command over here. It's going to open the authentication URL in your browser so you can authenticate yourself. Since I'm already authenticated, I'm just going to see this page. And over here, you can also see the device code. All I have to do is click on authorize device. And you can see it says connected. Now, let's look at the status. We can type Kryptsec MCP status. Okay, it shows my username and also shows half of my token and when it's going to expire. Now, the last step we have is connect to your AI sidekick. So we're gonna run this command. Because I'm doing this for Claude code, that's why I have mentioned Claude code here. But for most people, just setup is all you need. It says added via Claude MCP add. Okay, let's go back to Claude code. Over here, I'm going to type the command /mcp to list the number of MCPs that are connected to my Claude code. And as we can see, Cryptsec is connected, and we can also view the tools like list challenges, get challenge, deploy lab, or terminate a lab. So we are going to try these tools out. Let's go back and let's type in the prompt. List beginner web challenges. And we got few challenges over here like CSR password reset, SQLi hidden filter bypass, and SQLi auth bypass. So let's go with the SQLi hidden filter bypass. Deploy the lab. And it's going to activate it. I'm putting my browser and terminal side by side, so the lab we are doing is this one, SQLi hidden filter bypass. And as you can see, it's already active because we just activated it from the terminal. Okay, so we got some recon plan here, map the surface, load the URL, find the CRM customer page mentioned in the brief, watch the request, node query params, post bodies, and everything. So if you want to do it by yourself, you can look at this little description and do it by yourself. But if you want Claude to do it for you, then you can do that as well. So I'm saying that show me the methodology for solving this lab and also submit the flag. Make sure that you don't send too many requests at the same time. Use a low thread to prevent DOS attack on the lab. Sometimes this happens when you are testing for like multiple payloads at the same time and your lab might get DOS. So you should mention this in your prompt as well, how it should utilize the tool to help you in the best way. This will save your time. Okay, so it says lab is ready. and it's showing us steps that it's going to take, like recon the lab homepage, identify the tag filter endpoint, probe injection point with Boolean payloads, and surface disable records and extract flag, and then submit the flag. Okay, so it found a form post on customers/customers with name and tag fields. So hint confirms that inject into the tag. So it says active records visible, empty tag equals all active, specific tag equals none. So it found the likely SQL. It's where status equals active and tag equals input. So this input is actually user control, and over there you can break out of the context and inject your own SQL payload. And that's what Claude is going to do. Oh, it did it already, and it captured the flag as well. And it's going to confirm it by submitting it. And flag got accepted, and we got 39 points, and we are on rank #9. Very interesting. So tag field was vulnerable. Let's refresh the browser, and as you can see, it says solved. So it solved the lab. Great. And you can also get some summary about the vulnerability and what's the production fix for it as well, which is very important. So now let's terminate the lab. And it will do it for us. And lab is terminated. Let's refresh the page. And yeah, as you can see, it's terminated, and we solved it as well, and we got points. As I said, just 3 commands: install, auth, setup. That's the whole thing. So head to ctf.cryptsec.com and connect your Sidekick today. Oh, and Cryptsec just dropped an update that changes how their whole thing works. I can't get into this right now, but in the next video, you will want to see it.